Are you trying to delete a blank page in Word but it just won't go away? Watch this. For example, in my Word, you go here, you try to delete, the blank section isn't going away. So for this, here's the real fix most people don't know. Go to that page and you press Ctrl Shift and 8. This reveals the hidden formatting marks on your document, and as you can see, if you look closely here, you'll see a section break. That's what causing the blank page. So we click right before the section break here, then we delete it completely, and just like that, the blank page has disappeared. Most blank pages in Word are caused by hidden breaks like this, and by clicking Ctrl Shift and 8 shows formatting marks. And if you want to delete the page, you delete the section breaks if they're in the document, and just like that, blank spaces or pages on a document disappear. Kindly subscribe and follow for more quick Word fixes like this.